How to see what Instagram reels your friends liked. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see what Instagram reels your friends liked. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you can do is just go to the Reels section. And now here, once you're inside the Reels section at the top, you'll see the option labeled as Friends. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be able to view all the reels that your friends have liked. So here you can simply scroll through the reels and there you will be able to see it. And that's it. That's how you can see what Instagram reels your friends have liked. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.